Greet the day with an open heart and mind. Let those words sink in as we prepare ourselves to welcome the endless possibilities each new day brings. Imagine a world where your potential is limitless, where you're open to the abundance and success the universe has to offer. Let's take a moment to breathe, to absorb that thought fully. As you exhale, release any doubts or fears that may be holding you back. Now, with a renewed sense of purpose, let's affirm, I am capable of achieving greatness. This isn't just a fleeting thought, but a deep-seated belief, a mantra that will guide you through the challenges and triumphs of your journey. You are not just a dreamer, but a doer. You are not just an observer, but a participant. You have the power to shape your destiny, to turn your dreams into reality. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Acknowledge the limitations, only to break through them. Let's take a moment, a pause, to let that sink in. Now, let's breathe life into our next affirmation. There are no limitations to what I can achieve. Infuse these words with belief, with determination. Let them echo in your mind, reverberating through your thoughts, your actions, your reality. Now let's move forward, let's progress. Success is a journey, not a destination. Contemplate this. Success isn't a point on a map that we arrive at. It's every step we take, every challenge we overcome, every fear we conquer. It's the resilience we build, the lessons we learn, the growth we experience. We often get so fixated on the end goal that we forget to appreciate the journey. But remember, it's not about racing to the finish line. It's about embracing the journey, learning from it, growing from it. Remember, it's the journey that shapes us, not the destination. Let us illuminate our lives with positivity. Breathe in deeply, exhale slowly, and let this affirmation resonate within you. I am attracting positive and fruitful experiences into my life. Let it echo in your mind. Let it shape your thoughts. Let it guide your actions. Now let's take a moment of silence. Just breathe and let that affirmation sink in. Alright, now that we've allowed that affirmation to become part of us, let's continue our journey. Let's carry on with the next affirmation. I'm becoming a more positive and successful person every day. Every sunrise brings a new day, a new chance to be better, to be more positive, to be more successful. Let these words inspire you. Let them be your driving force. Let them be your guiding light as you navigate through the journey of life. Remember, positivity attracts success. Believe in the power within you. Let's take a moment to affirm together, I believe in my ability to succeed. Let that conviction sink in as we pause for a moment. Now, with that belief firmly entrenched in your consciousness, let's affirm, I have the power to create the success and build the life I desire. Feel the strength of these words, the power they possess. They are not just mere utterances, they are declarations of your innate potential, your inherent capabilities. Belief, my friends, is not just a state of mind, it's a force, a driving force that propels you towards your goals, your dreams. It's the fuel that powers your journey towards success. And remember, it's not about having the belief when everything is going right. It's about harnessing that belief, especially when things seem tough, because that is when it matters the most. Remember, your belief in yourself is your most powerful tool. In the end, it's all about consistency. The power of these affirmations is not in their utterance, but in their repetition. Each word, each sentence, each belief echoed back to yourself, day after day, shapes the person you become. The success you desire begins with the consistency of your words, your thoughts, and your actions. Imagine a river, continuously flowing, carving a path through mountains and valleys. It doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency, even the hardest of rocks give way. Similarly, in your journey towards success, it is the gentle, persistent flow of positive affirmations that will carve your path. It's not about the mammoth tasks, but the small, daily dedications. Repeating these affirmations daily is not a task, but a commitment to yourself, a commitment to your success, a commitment to your future. Which of these affirmations resonates with you the most? Share with us in the comments below. Remember, you hold the power to your success.